Hey everyone! Today we are going to make a oval circle pendant with earrings by using mother of pearl beads and dyed color. Here's the materials we need, and here are the tools we'll use in today. First, wrap the silverware around the bottom of the oval circle. You're gonna thread the beads through the wire. After that, wrap the wire around the top of a circle. To make a bell, at the top of the pendant, gently grabbing the wire and twisting it into a loop. Now the pendant is ready. I quickly make a matching earrings. If you like this set of necklace, please like and subscribe my channel. You won't miss coming videos. Thank you for watching.